Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be sharing my summer morning routine. It's a little bit different than my typical morning routine, simply because I don't spot clean the kids' bathroom. That is their job through the summer. So I start as usual. After my workout, I work on my laundry, and then I move on to my bedroom and my bathroom. It was my daughter's job to empty the dryer, and typically when she empties the dryer, she puts all the folded clothes on the floor, takes hers into her room, and leaves all the rest of them for us to put away.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow, we can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But
In my bedroom, I make the bed, air it out if the air conditioning's not on, and I put away laundry and clean up any mess from the night before, like clothing that needs to be put into the laundry or things that came up and need to go down.
right, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you.
In the bathroom, again, I pick up the laundry, I clean and tidy up things. It was Wednesday, and Wednesdays are my emptying trash days, so I do that as well. and then I just wipe down the toilet and the sinks, just a quick wiping. And I have separate rags for the toilet and then separate rags for the sink.
Change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off.
Downstairs I usually try not to have it this messy, but we went shopping the night before out of town and I didn't get a chance to fully do my nighttime routine, so I had a little bit of extra things to do in the morning.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I really thought we had it covered.
The kitchen wasn't too bad. I just needed to put away a few things from breakfast and a couple dishes from the night before. They didn't fit in the dishwasher, and because I left, I didn't hand wash them. So that's all I did here. My kids haven't had breakfast yet, so I didn't want to go in full on cleaning the kitchen.
Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. We're done now. No, it's no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Now, no, it's no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you're brand new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and press the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future posts. And for now, that's it, and thank you so much for watching, and hope you guys have a wonderful day.